For your PDF to achieve WCAG Success Criterion 1.1.1 Text Alternatives for Non-Text Content, you need to provide not just alt text for images, but tooltips on form fields and alt text on annotations, including hyperlinks. We'll look at how to perform each of these in Acrobat Pro, but remember that it's always best to do as much remediation in your original source document as possible before exporting to PDF. This saves you a lot of fiddling with Acrobat, especially if you end up needing to make an update or correction to the original document. Acrobat makes adding alt text to images pretty easy. Open the accessibility tools. If they aren't in your toolbar, you might need to activate the More Tools button and find it in the list. Click Set Alternative Text to open the window. Type your description for each image and use the arrow keys at the top to navigate between images. Note that you must select the Save and Close button when you are done, or none of your descriptions will be saved. Follow the usual image description rules. Consider the purpose of your image, keep it brief, and only mark it as decorative if you're okay with some users not knowing that the image is there at all. Checking the Decorative Figure button does not actually mark the figure as an artifact. To do this, find the image in your tag tree, right-click on the element, and select Change Tag to Artifact. Images will only appear in the Set Alternate Text window if they are enclosed in a figure tag. If one of your images is not appearing and you want it to be available to screen reader users, open the Reading Order window. Draw a box around the image and select the Figure button. Form fields need to have alternative text in the form of tooltips. Open the Prepare Form tool. Right-click on your form field and open Properties. In the tooltip, write the description of your field. This is likely identical to the written text next to the field on the visual form, but you may want to add a word or two for context in certain situations. Resist the urge to write a complete sentence in the tooltip. The user will already know that they are in a form field and what type of form field it is. In the PDF context, form fields are one type of annotation. Links are another, and like form fields, they are required to have a text alternative. Open the tag tree and find the tag containing your link. If you have a large document, you might want to highlight some text and use Find Tag from Selection to locate your tag. Right-click on the link tag and open the Properties window. In the alternate text field, write the description of your link. This is what will appear in the links list for a screen reader user, and how it will read in context as they are moving through the document. If you used meaningful text when creating your link, you can simply copy that identical text into the alternate text field. Now, if I save and refresh Pack, we're successfully passing 1.1.1 on all of these elements.